Philip, are you washing dishes? Oh no, don't eat the soap, Philip. Don't eat that. Are you washing dishes? What are those?
Wow.
They bubbles? Can you say bubbles? Good job. Philip, hi. Where are we right now?
How?
That's right, we're home. Are you cleaning the bubbles off?
Yeah.
Philip, what does a chicken say? What does a cow say? What does a horse say? What does a sheep say? What does a snake say? What does a snake say? Good job. You're doing a good job cleaning. Oh, let's leave those over there, okay? Okay, are you all done cleaning?
No.
No, you're still cleaning? Can you say bye to the camera? Say bye. Can you say bye again?
Bye.
See you later.